Hello, today I'm going to show you how to extend the luggage compartment from the inside the vehicle of your REA4 S4 Avant. The backrest can be folded down separately or together. We are going to have a look. If we are going to have an Avant, you can see this. We have to pull the release lever. This is on both sides possible on the back bench because there is a lever, a safety knob, and a lock. So you can have the lock or you cannot have the lock. This is additional part. First step, we're going to get down the headrest into position that we can easy peasy go down with our backrest in the up or down position again. Now we pull the release lever to us and unlock this. And this you can see on the red knob. If we push it back position, the red knob will be gone anymore. And it's there is back. Now it's unlock position. And we can now get down the backrest to the bottom area. Yeah, that's cool, huh? Oh, that's cool. And of course, we can perform this not only on one side, we can do this on both sides. And additionally, if you have a center backrest, we can fold down the center backrest separately as a comfortable thing if you are sitting inside these, or you can make this in an already movement. With all the components inside the car. Oh yeah, that's really cool and easy, of course. If you have a saloon when the backrest is engaged in the upright position, it can be locked. With the emergency key, the prevents the access to the luggage compartment from inside the vehicle as possible too. So if you have an Avant, it is easy. As you can see, you can make this separately down in the center, so you can't use it for a bigger area of the luggage compartment anymore. Be careful when releasing and folding down the backrest. Carelessness when folding it down could result in injuries. We make sure that the rear backrest is securely locked and positioned so that the seat belt can be provided proper protection in the rear seats too. And you have more. The backrest can be folded down separate or together with the luggage compartment release lever on the back side of your car. You can see it is all locked in position, and now we are going to pull the release lever for the right side. You see there it is, the red information for unlocking process is come there, and we can get it down. And we can perform the right thing on the left side again. To prevent damage from the front seats, we please check that the front seats are not too close to the rear seats before folding down the rear backrest. If we need to adjust the front seats when the rear backrest is folded down, we should take care to avoid damage in the rear head restrictions. And we lower the rear heat restrictions before we fold down the backrest. The risk of damage is there. When returning the backrest to an upright position, we make sure that the seat belts for the other rear seats are not caught up under the damage, okay? And then job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!